Good afternoon. Welcome back.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
At least Vitur is there. Thank you, Vitur, for your
Good
response.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, let's continue. Database management system. Before that, Srihari, what is another name of a table? Or a table is called as dash.
I don't know, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am.
So that is why it is called relational database management system. So the data is arranged in the form of table. If there is a table, then there should be, Ashwin is not here. Ashwin? If there is a table, that means a table consists of what? Reina, a table consists of? A timetable consists of?
Rows and columns.
Rows and columns. So if there is table, that means there will be rows and columns. But in database management system, in RDBMS, we won't say it as rows and columns. We will say it as tuples. Rows are called as tuple. A single row is called as tuple, T-U-P-L-E, tuple. A row is called as tuple or record or simply row. A row, record, tuple. A column is called as attribute. What is it? Attribute. A-T-T-R-I-B-U-T-E. Attribute. Ashwin has come. Let me ask the question to him. Ashwin, hello. Ashwin, turn on the video. Why are you late, Ashwin?
Ma'am, I just came now. I had net issues, ma'am.
Okay, so question to you. Don't worry. Welcome question. Question is, what does a table consists of?
Rows and columns.
Wonderful. Very good. So I was searching Ashwin and you were not there in the class. Okay. Amalraj, Donna, turn on your video. Amalraj, Emmanuel, Ashwin. Okay. So a row is called as a tuple. A column is called as attribute. A row, one more name is there. Srihari, what is the other name of a row?
Apple.
One more name I have told in between. Should I explain one more story for you? No. Srihari?
No, I didn't hear that one.
You did not hear that word. Vidhur, what is it? Achyut?
Actually, I don't know, ma'am.
Reina? Anyone?
Which word, ma'am?
Question.
Question.
Question is, Hidayat is coming again and again. Okay, the question is, row is called as a tuple. Or in other words, it is one more name is there for row. That is Gauri is saying something, but unmute.
Record.
Record. It is also called as record. R-E-C-O-R-D. Record. Column is called as attribute. Okay, let me see now. And column is also called as a field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Show you that. So in a relational database model, data is organized into table, rows and columns. These tables are also called as relations. Why it is called as a relation? Because a row in a table represent relationship among a set of values. How it is relationship among a set of values? Suppose there is a timetable, Monday. So Monday, then a single row we can see. If you want to check Monday's timetable, will you check Tuesday's timetable? No, right? Will you check Wednesday's timetable? No, only Monday. That means that row only you will check. That means in that row, each values are interrelated. Monday's first period, Monday's second period, Monday's third period, Monday's fourth period. That is why it is called as a relation, a row. A row in a table represents relationship among a set of values. So many rows will be there. Finally, it will become a table. That's why a table is called as a relation. A column represents the field or attributes related to the relation. That is first period, second period, third period, subject, isn't it? So if you just take a student table, here roll number, name, mark, etc. Roll number 1, 2, X, Y, 80, 20, isn't it? So this column means, what is a column? It is a field or attributes related to the relation. So how many roll numbers are here in this table? 2. Values are 1 and 2. Name, X and Y. So this NO is called an attribute, name is an attribute, mark is an attribute. Column headers. Now, if you want to store details of students, roll number, name, class, section, etc. So this will be the heading of the columns will be the attributes. Okay. And the collection of values of each column together will become a row of information or a tuple or a record. Clear? You can see 2 tables here. This is how you create a table in database. Employee table. So which are the different attributes? Dia, employee table attributes.
Employee number,
Yes.
employee name,
You have to say the same name. Name.
gender,
Mm.
number,
Mm.
salary,
Mm.
commission.
It stands for commission, COM. And Meghna, tell me one example of a record or a tuple.
1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Example of a tuple. Sri Hari.
One, then unticker.
Very good. One row of information. Meghna, one row of information is called as a record or tuple. So one row, any row we can say is called a tuple. Okay, clear? Now department table you can see. So a table should have a table name, then a different attributes. A department table, department number, D name, location. They are the attributes. 10 HR New York, one record. 20 accounts Brazil on record, 30 sales Canada on the record. Okay, clear? Now there are few things you need to know that we have seen in the starting classes. Byte, 8 bits. You know 8 bits are called as 1 byte. So what will be the starting value, Vidhur? If you have 8 bits starting value combination, hello,
0, 0, 0, 0.
1, 2, 3, 4,
8
5,
times.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till here, there's a combination. That is 2 raised to, yes.
Ma'am, 0 like 8 times 0, right?
How many zeros I have written? 2, 3, 4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Only 8 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So that is 8 bits. That is 1 byte. That is 2 raised to 8 combination. But here it is something else. If you want to store a character A, it will be stored using some codes, ASCII, ISCII, many codes are there that you don't have to study, ASCII codes, ISCII codes. These all codes will be having size 8 bits. So a character, if you want to store a character, so we will use 1 byte. B, 1 byte. Different combinations will be there. C, A's value is 65. This 65 will be converted into different bits. That's a combination. So you don't have to worry it. 1 byte. Byte means group of 8 bits, and why it is used in database management system, it is used to store a character, a single character. We use 8 bits. This database management system softwares use 8 bits. That is 1 byte. So we'll call it as byte. Then next one is data item. Smallest unit of named data, that is like a atom. So we can one information like class 11. So it is called as a data item because only one value. You can't divide it to 2 ones. That is wrong. 11 means 11. The class is 11. So you can't change. So that is, it's called as a data item. And record means a collection of data items which represent a complete unit of information. That is a row, one row of information. A table means collection of rows and columns together called as table. So Hannah, what is a byte? Byte.
Group of numbers.
Can't hear you. Once again.
A group of 8 bits.
Group of 8 bits called as 1 byte, and it is used for storing one character. Next one is what is Srihari, what is data item?
Smallest unit of named data.
Okay. What is a record? Elvina?
Collection of data item which are in the same characters. Example like row.
Collection of data items which will give you the full information. Okay. The next one is what is a table? Krishna Chandran?
Collection of rows and columns.
Columns together called as a Next one. Okay. There's examples. Data items. So one character requires 1 byte. So 5 bytes. These are fields or attributes. Records or tuple. Is that clear to you? Fields, another name is attributes, or say it as column itself. Then a row, one complete row of information is called as a record or tuple. Then data items, sales data item requires 5 bytes because each character needs 1 byte to store the data. Okay. These are the different common RDBMS. So we will be studying only about MySQL. It is an open source software. What is an open source? Just a moment. Okay. What is an open source software? What is an open source software? Let me see who has
Can
much.
be
Ah,
freely used.
ah,
Then can be like we can update it
ah.
and we can distribute.
Mm,
You can develop.
you can develop. It is free. Open source software means it's freely open for the programmers to do any updation in that software, and you can freely download it. Examples are Python, MySQL. These are all examples of open source softwares. You can freely download it from the internet. Okay, so you are studying 2 softwares. One is Python, programming language. So that is free to download. Next one is MySQL. That is also free to download. So you don't have to pay money. Only you need is an internet connection. Okay, now certain terms. Let's see certain terms. So we have seen already a relation. A relation is another name of table, isn't it? That is our then domain. Now let it be there. I will explain to you. This also I have explained to you. Tuple. What is a tuple? What is an attributes? Now degree cardinality. One sure question for your examination is what is degree? A table will be given and you have to say what is the degree and what is the cardinality. We can see a table, department table. The number of tuples called as cardinality. Number of tuples together called as cardinality. So what is the cardinality of this table? Cardinality of this table, Anjo? What is the cardinality of this department table? Anjo? Anjo? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Cardinality of this table. No need to mute. Question is not over. Yes. Cardinality means number of tuples. Number of records. How many records are here in this table?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Correct. The cardinality of this table is 4. You should not count the header row because that is attributes. Attributes you have written. The cardinality of this table is 4. The number of rows called as cardinality. So another term is degree. So this is called as cardinality. Cardinality. Next one is degree. Degree of the table means number of attributes. So Gauri, what is the degree of this table?
1.
Number of attributes.
3.
3. Number of attributes 3. Department number is one attribute, D name is one attribute, location is another attribute. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Degree. You might be thinking that's so very simple. Oh, degree means number of columns, number of attributes, cardinality means number of rows. So always two mark question. One, you can expect a table, and the question will be what is a primary key? The one question, then will be asking one question as what is the degree of the table, what is the cardinality. So it's so simple, right? But what happens is when you get this question, you will forget about, you will get confused with cardinality and degree. Cardinality you will write as number of columns and degree you will write as number of rows. Usually that happens. So you have to be very careful that number of rows, cardinality, number of columns or number of attributes, degree. Okay, clear? Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Hari, tell me what is degree?
Number of attributes.
Cardinality?
Number of tuples.
Another name of table?
Relation.
Reina, Emmanuel, Grishma, Krishnendran. Many are missing. Only 13 students. How come? What happened to them? So the next topic is different keys in the table. Different keys. What is a key? Krishnendran, what is a key? Don't ask me for clues. And what is a key? Key is used for Krishnendran, why did you turn off your video? Krishnendran, what is a key? No, no. It's not punishment to you, it's punishment to them. So I won't be taking that topic again. Key. No idea. You can share the screen. Reina.
And what should I do?
You have to click the link. I have sent a link. Or I will show you, okay? That's better. I'm not at all good at drawing. Okay, continue.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, yes, of course, you can see.
I see line. So I know it's finger. I see rainbow, or circle, or potato, or clock. I see bread, or compass. So I know it's soccer ball.
Good. Fork.
I see line. So I know it's fork. I see spoon, or shoe. I see skateboard, or cannon. I have no clue what you're drawing. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. Very good. You can stop sharing, Achut. Now, Reina. Hello, Reina. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Share the screen. Those having mobile, they can draw it very nicely. Reina, share the screen. It's an example of artificial intelligence game it is. When you share the screen, don't forget to check the share computer sound. That also you have to check. Purse. That is okay. Just a trial. It's okay. French fries. Oh, let's try it. You know. Oh, nice crapper. Roller coaster it is. Okay, gone. Paint can. Very good. Stop the sharing. No, last one more trial we can do first. Come on. Nobody is interested. Amalraj, Elvina, mobile users, Vidur, fast. Vidur,
Ma'am, Meghna draws.
Meghna, Meghna, share the screen. Come on, fast. Meghna, share the screen. Meghna, Meghna, share the screen. Meghna,
Yes.
share the screen. Come
Hi.
on. Now, do you have a class now, Achyut? Maths? Chemistry? Okay, that's all. Bye-bye. See you. Thank you.